The next activity is to create the query. So, create muna tayo ng table. So, tayo sa create. And then, table design. And then, field name. So, yung field name natin is, let's say, student. Student subject ID. And then, data type niya, auto increment. And then, set natin yung student subject ID as a primary key. And then, another field is student ID. And the next one is subject ID. And then data type is number. Yan. And then save. And then pangalan natin siya ng TBL, or stands for table. And then student subjects. Then abbreviation. And then okay. So yan, meron na tayong table for student subjects. Ano po? And then next natin gagawin is yung form. So create tayo ng form wizard. And then lahat ng field na nandito sa left side, lipat natin sa right side. And then next, and then rename natin yung name. Let's say student subject forms or form, and then modified. Finish. So yan, edit na natin yung form na na-create natin. Ano po? So adjust lang natin dito yung position niya. And then this one. And then modify natin itong color, font style. Wag na to. Dito lang, hindi tayo mag-change ng font style. So font style, then adjust natin yung size. Masyadong malaki. So yan, and then center natin. And then next is add tayo ng button. So punta tayo sa form design, and then button. So instead na yung text is instead na yung button is naka-text, ano po, so gawin natin siyang picture or icon. So record operation, save record, next, and then browse tayo ng picture, then icon, kasi icon yung meron tayo. So pag save, this one, and then next, and then finish, and then add tayo ng another button. So yung button is to add a data, and then browse tayo, browse, and then set ng icon, this one, plus, and then next, and then finish, and then another button for delete record. Delete record and then browse picture, so all files, and then delete icon, and then next, and then finish. Then lagay din tayo ng let's say magpiprint ng entire form kung gusto natin magprint, ano po, and then select natin yung form na gagamitin natin or ipiprint na po. So this one, student subject form, and then next, and then printer. Browse tayo ng picture or icon, this one, and then next, and then finish. So yan pa na, meron tayong apat na button. So align lang natin. And then add tayo ng another button to view the next record and then the previous record. So gawin ko na lang siyang text. So let's say this one. Go to next, and then finish. And then another button to previous the record. Previous record, and then finish. And then add tayo ng another button to view the last record kung gusto natin view yung last record. So yeah, para malaman natin kung halimbawa kung ilang ID na yung or ilang data na yung naka-input sa isang form or sa isang table. Next, and then last record. So sa last record is may siyang tatlo. So yan pa lang. And then pwede rin tayo maglagay ng yung find record. Yan. So sa find record po, pwede nating ma-search yung specific record na gusto nating makita. So mas maganda ito i-apply dun sa student form. Kasi kung mapapansin niyo sa student form, marami siyang data po na naka-insert. So yan, palitan ko ng kulay yung sa header na text. So may siyang black and then ka-bold. And then, save na natin yung form. Save. And then double click yung form. Yan. So gawin natin is, yung nagpa-pop up na form po, and then tanggalin natin itong nasa left side and then yung nasa bottom. So balik tayo on design view. And then make sure na nakaselect tayo sa entire form. And then other. And then yung pop-up, gawin natin yes. Para kapag in-start natin yung form, is naka-pop up siya po. And then format, hanapin natin yung record selector. Gawin natin yes, or I mean no. And then navigation button, make it no. And then save natin yung form. And then run natin. So yan yung finish form natin. So gusto pa natin siya tanggalin this part. Ano po? Yung control box niya or control. So gusto natin tanggalin itong part ng ito. Nasa taas yung pinaka-header niya. Which is yung control box. Then balik tayo design view. Then nasa pinaka-baba. Ayun, control box. So no. And then delete natin yung caption. Delete natin yung caption. And then save. And then double. So yan, wala na. So pwede na tayo mag-insert ng data po. So gawin natin is tanggalin na lang natin itong default value niya na 0 para hindi tayo malito pag-insert ng data. So punta tayo dito sa student. No. Ayan, wala na siya. So pwede tayo mag-insert ng or mag-assign ng subject kay student. So let's say subject is this one and then yung mga student is meron tayong dalawang student. So student ID number 1 is mag-assign tayo ng subject na ID number, let's say number 1. And then save. And then insert tayo ng another. Click nyo lang yung add record or new record. Ano po? And then 1, and then 2. And then save. New record. 1, and 3. Save. New record. 1, and pang ilan na? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then add. Save. And add new record. 1, 5. And then save. Okay, subject tayo. 6, 2, 4, 5. So yan. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, last record. And then find the record. Let's see. ID. ID number 2. So yan, yung input data na ID number 2. So punta tayo sa student subject table. So refresh natin. So meron tayong 5 input data. So since naka-create na tayo ng student subjects and then yung form niya, so create na tayo ng query. So punta tayo sa create and then query wizard. And then simple query wizard and then click OK. And then makuhain natin yung student subject ID. And then yung ID ni student. And then kay student, yung first name, middle name, and last name. And then yung subject code and subject description. So yun lang yung i-display natin dun sa query. Ano po? And then click next. So simple query wizard. So you have a field, student. Okay, so kapag nag-display na ganitong error, ito, kailangan yung i-connect, ano po, yung sa, or mag-add ng relationship ng kada table. So si student, para kay student ID, and then create, and then yung subject ID is dito sa table na subject table ID, and then create. So yun, nakaset na, then save natin, close, and then pwede tayo mag-create ng query. So balik tayo sa wizard, query wizard, simple query wizard, and then next, and then lipat natin yung subject or student subject ID, and then kay student, yung ID ni student, first name, middle name, and last name, and then subject code and description, and then next. Kunin natin yung pangalan ng query. So, tanggalin natin to. Then, ito. Then, modified. Then, finish. So, yan yung itsura ng ating query po. Ano? So, sa pag-create ng query po, marami namang way sa pag-create ng query. And ito po yung way na pag-create ko ng query. Ano po? So, kung may alam pa kayong ibang way pag-create ng query, so pwede nyo naman siyang i-follow. And then, balik tayo sa table query. So, yan. So, yung sa final result po ng query natin. So, meron tayong 4 na input data. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, saan yan galing? Dito po sa student subject table. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yun lang po pag-create ng query. So, thank you and good luck sa next activity.